begin, unscrew the suction hose nut and remove the suction hose. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 screws at the base of the injection stem located here. Now slide the metal retainer down and off of the stem. Pull the stem straight out from the body of the unit and set the body aside for a few minutes. Unscrew the barb and remove the check valve. Discard the old check valve assembly and seal. Then remove the injection sleeve O-ring by pinching and rolling it off of the white stem. Pick up the new O-ring and install it by stretching and rolling it onto the groove. Take the new check valve seal and drop it down into the barb with the groove facing up. Press the new check valve assembly into the stem as far as it will go, like this. Hand tighten the barb onto the stem. To change the plunger seal, pull the plunger down as far as it will go. Then pinch and roll the seal off of the plunger. Pick up the new plunger seal and install it on the plunger by carefully stretching and rolling it into the groove. If the white plastic retainer slides down, just reposition it with the slender part up into the body like this. To finish up, carefully slide the injection stem assembly into the body. Slide the metal retainer onto the sleeve. Then align the 4 holes in the retainer with the holes in the body. Place the screws into the body and hand tighten them in a star pattern. Before installing the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off. Or if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just go ahead and replace it. Now thread the suction hose nut onto the hose. Slide it onto the barb and hand tighten the nut.